Hi, this is Gina with Poppy Cotton, and I'm excited to be sewing along with you on week number 2. We are going to be putting together this flower number 2. And this is part of our sew along for Flower Market quilt pattern. So join us to learn how to put this block together. So once you have all your block pieces cut out, you will take your block and you're going to make what is called a snowball. So you'll take your little corner pieces, your 1.5 inch squares, and I like to press mine from corner to corner so I create a straight line, or you can take a pencil and draw a line from corner to corner. So once you have that done, you'll put each of your squares on the corners of your block. Now the most important thing about these blocks is they're different colors. I have on this one, I have a pink here in this corner, and a pink here in this corner, and a pink here in this corner, and this, because in the middle what we're going to do is create the center of our flower block, just like this. So all of these pinks need to be on the center. The whites are all here on the outside. And then down here, if you'll notice, is the extension of the stem into this little triangle piece. So those need to be the navy blues. So be careful on your prints which ones you have to decide where they're going in the flower. So make sure all of these pieces on the outside are all white. The center ones are pink. And then down here are the navy blue ones which come off of the stem. So you'll place those on the corner and you'll sew corner to corner on your traced line or pressed line, corner to corner. And then corner to corner here, corner to corner here. So each of these have been sewn. And then what we'll want to do is we'll take those and we'll trim those. So then I end up with my pieces looking like this. So again, I'm going to make sure when I've trimmed them 1/4 inch, you can see right here I've trimmed, and then I've pressed. So each of my squares looks like a snowball. I've got 4 snowballs, and each of them has a pink which go towards the center. The rest are the white, and then down here I have my navy blue. So I'll want to sew those together. I'm going to sew these 2 together, and I'm going to sew these 2 together. One of the ways that I make sure that I'm getting these correctly matched up is I want to place a pin in to right here so that I can match up my seams. And that'll be at my 1/4 inch mark right there. And then down here on this one, I can make sure that I match again those seams, and I'll sew straight down here. And I'll do that for both those pieces so that I end up with a piece that's looking like that for the top, and then this piece which will be for the bottom. And so as you can see, I've got my snowball here, and I've got all my pinks in the middle and all my navy blues down the bottom. So I'll sew those together, and then the next part will be to do the leaves. Now on the leaves, we have the same flip and stitch method. You'll take your 2 inch square and put it in the corner on this one, and your 1.5 inch in this corner. Now the same concept in that I folded each of these in half and I pressed to give me a straight diagonal line on both of these, or you can pencil and draw in a line corner to corner. And so you'll put those in the corner. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing 2 alike. You'll notice on here there are 2 leaves and they're opposites. So 2 this way and 2 this way. So I want to make sure that I've got a square up in this corner that match. These 2 match. And my sewing line is going here to here and here to here. So I have 2 the same. And then on these ones, you'll see that these are the same. only they're opposite. Corner to corner here, corner to corner there. So my 2 inches up here in this corner, and on these ones, they're on the opposite corner. So that this looks like this, and then that one looks like that. So once I've got those, again, I will trim 1/4 inch. I want to keep my line, so 1/4 inch away I'll trim, and I end up with these 2 pieces. So these are going to be opposite of each other. 2 that look like this, and then 2 that look like this. So you can see these are in the bottom corner here, and these are in the top corner up here. Then I will be piecing those together to make the leaves. And I'm going to make one section that looks like this. If you'll notice, what I do on these, the stem is going to go in the middle. And so the 2-inch piece goes next to the stem. See this piece right here? And then the smaller piece goes to the outside. So these go here towards the stem, and then the opposite would be these 2 right here, where it's the 2-inch towards the stem here and the small one on the outside. So that when we sew them together, we've got a strip, one of our leaves, a small strip, one of our leaves, and then the largest strip. And you'll just repeat for the opposite side. We'll stitch to one side, press to the stem, and then we'll stitch this side and press to the stem. And then you'll have the leaf section, the flower section, and you'll put it together, and you'll end up with this beautiful flower number 2. Now your homework assignment is to make 4 of these. Happy sewing!